Burns Night is a Scottish celebration of the life of poet Robert Burns. Period. Burns Night is observed on the 25th of January each year. Period. New paragraph. Burns Night is a celebration that has been celebrated in Scotland for over 200 years. Period. The night is reserved for eating traditional Scottish foods, including haggis, neeps and tatties, open parentheses, turnips and potatoes, close parentheses, and of course, drinking plenty of whiskey. Period. New paragraph. Robert Burns was born on January 25, 1759 in Alloway, Scotland. Period. He is considered by many to be the national poet of Scotland. Period. He is often called the open double quotes Bard of Ayrshire, close double quotes, and he wrote in the Scots language. Period. Burns Night celebrates the life and work of Robert Burns. Period.